there folks, welcome to Edupedia World 9th Grade Computer Applications Video Lecture Series. I'm Upeka Vandibona and today we are going to surf World Wide Web. To surf on the web, first we need a surfboard, a web browser. There are a number of freely available web browsers and some of them are coming with your operating system. For example, Internet Explorer web browser comes with Microsoft Windows and Safari web browser comes with Apple Mac. Mozilla Firefox is another industry competitor as well as Opera web browser. And then Google lovers highly prefers Google Chrome to use as their web browser because it can integrate with other Google products. As I am a heavy user of Google products, I prefer to use Google Chrome as my surfboard to surf on the World Wide Web. Then, just only a web browser is not enough to surf on the World Wide Web. We need gears. We need a search engine. I'll tell you why. The web consists of trillion web pages. I don't know exactly how many, but I know it's huge, more than huge. So a human cannot search and find information that they are looking for, as they do at a physical library. And in the web, there might be the similar information at multiple places by same authors or different authors, presenting same or different views. Or else, the thing you are looking for may exist as a major part of an online content or minor part of an online content. So, to get the most relevant information source according to your requirements, you need some robotic support. So there comes the search engines to give you that support. These search engines make your search more and more easier for you. Google search engine from Google, Yahoo search engine from Yahoo, and Bing search engine from Microsoft are some of popular search engines. And we prefer to use Google search engine to demonstrate how to surf on the web. Okay, now let's start the work. Here is my Chrome web browser. This area we called as search bar, and to perform a search you can type a text or else you can search by your voice. As I'm a Windows user, you can see I got Internet Explorer too. So if you doesn't have any web browser apart from the browser that comes with the operating system, you have to use that web browser to download a new one. You can download Firefox or Chrome freely from their websites, and I'll show you how to get the Chrome. So for that, I'm going to do a simple text search to look for the Chrome website. If you can see, when I'm typing in the search bar, there is a list appears with it. Those are instant suggestions that Google predicts that you are going to type. So you do not need to type the whole thing. You can simply select a suggestion. Or else you can click this I'm feeling lucky link to open up the first search result. I'm not going for that. I'm performing a normal search. And in this normal search, you can see it lists down all the search results. The first search result is what I am looking for, the Chrome website. Under this download menu, you can simply download the Chrome installer. If you go below this web page, you can see what kind of benefits you can obtain from the Chrome web browser. In this Chrome web browser, these things are called tabs. So in each tab, you can open up a web page. You can right click on any search result and click the open link in a new tab. menu option. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as on. So these are search pages. So in each page it has remaining search result. Most oftenly in the first search result page it has most relevant search results. So now you know how to perform a simple text search. Let's try to do another search. I want to look for information about the book Theory of Everything. So now I'm going to type here that text, Theory of Everything. As you can see, it gives me the most frequent text searches that start with Theory of. Too bad. It gives me the information about a film rather than the book. So to narrow down the search result, I need to add something to this search text. I doesn't know the author of the book, so I'm going to type here Theory of Everything book. So now the search result is narrowed down only to the books, not for the films. In the right side panel, you can see the basic information about the book, the author of the book, the year it was published, and the other works of the author and other related books. If you want information about the film rather than the book, you just need simply to type the film or the word movie instead of the word book. Most oftenly, people use search engines for entertainment purposes. To find a song, find a movie, find a celebrity, etc. So here I'm going to search for a good biographical movie for the weekend by simply typing the word biographical movies in the search bar. So for this search, Google gives me the search result in a nice looking display. Here you can filter out the search result by the genre and the year. If you click one of these films, you can get much information about it. So now I'm going to show you a much interesting thing in Google search. When you type a calculation in the search bar, you can get the result of that calculation in a calculator. If you type a mathematical expression in the search bar, you can get the result in a Cartesian plane. Also, you can do unit conversions via Google search. For example, kilometers to centimeters, dollars to rupees, kilobytes to megabytes, likewise. And also you can use the Google search as a dictionary. When you want to look for the meaning of a word, you can type the word by appending the word define. So in the search result, you can see it gives you the IPA pronunciation with the pronunciation sound and the grammatical information about the word. And also it shows you the origin of the word as well as the usage over time. And now I'm going to show you how to use search operators in the Google search. You can use search operators to get more specific search results. The first one is the dash. When you use a dash before a word or site, it excludes sites with that info from your result. This is useful for words with multiple meanings, for example, the Jaguar car and the Jaguar animal. If I type the word Jaguar in the search bar, you can see the search results are a combination of jaguar cars and jaguar animals. So to avoid the jaguar car search result set, you can use this dash sign to say not to display the car result set. If you want to search for an exact word or exact phrase, you can use double inverted commas, the quote commas. When you put a word or phrase in a quotes, the result will only include pages with the same words in the same order as the ones inside the quotes. This operator is mostly used when you want to search for a lyrics in a song. So here I'm going to search John Lennon's popular song, Imagine All the People. If you doesn't know a word in the middle of a phrase, you can use the asterisk as a placeholder for any unknown or wildcard term. So here I'm going to search for a song that I doesn't know some of the words in the middle, and I replace those words with asterisk. Asterisk, all my asterisk, far away, a popular Beatles song that I couldn't remember some of the words. So here I found the song, all my troubles seem so far away. For the next operator, let's say that you want to search all the information about Steven Spielberg in the Wikipedia. You don't want search result in other websites, but only in Wikipedia website. So for that, what you have to do is type Steven Spielberg site wikipedia.org. The search results are only from Wikipedia website. There are no other website results displayed in here now because we have used that site :mark. That's all about operators. You can use these operators, both punctuation marks as well as the word, to narrow down your search result. But don't worry about memorizing all these operators because you can use these operators easily in the advanced search option. To open up the advanced search window, click the settings button and click the advanced search menu item. In the right side, you can see how each option can be used in the text box in the search bar. If you can remember, we use double quotes to find exact words in a phrase, and if you can memorize those operators, you do not need this advanced search option window. In the second section of the advanced search option window, you can see searches can be done in any language and any religion and by the last update date also. You can mention where should the search term need to be appeared. For example, in the page, in the title of the page or the web address or any link likewise. If you are looking for a Word document or a PDF file, you can use this file type option to mention that. When you are searching for images or videos, these options in the advanced search can be changed. Let's see how to search images and videos. You need an image of Dr. Abdul Kalam. So what you have to do is type Abdul Kalam in the search bar and click the image link in the top menu bar. So there you can see it loads several images of Dr. Abdul Kalam. And also it mentions other related search topics that you can search for images. Another important facility in image search is you could upload an image and look for similar images or to find out what's in the image. For example, let's say that I have this image. I don't know who he is, but I know he is a popular person. So I'm going to upload this image. There you go. It says best guess for this image is Edward Snowden. So I found out he is the person who is in the image. Now I'm going to show you another facility in image search. Just imagine you are looking for a calm wallpaper for your desktop, but you need something green. So for that you can either append green into the text, or else you can click the search tools button and mentions the color as green. So here you can see you can mention the size of the image you needed, the type of the image you needed, and the usage rights. Now let's try to do a video search. Let's say we needed to look for the songs in the movie Piku. So I'm typing the Piku in here and click the video link in the top menu bar. So in here, if you click the search tools button, you can see you can mention the duration and the quality and the source of the video. If I click the news link in the top menu bar, you can see it lists down all the results that mention about the Piku movie in news sites. Another good facility in Google search is you can search books. Just only the books, nothing else. So you do not get mixed with other search results. Let's say you want to search for the book The Man Who Knew Infinity. If you perform this search on the normal text search, you may get the result with jumbled content with the movie. If you need the search result to be just only related to the books, you can perform this search on the Google Book Search. So that's all for today. I guess now you know how to perform a good search in the World Wide Web to find the most relevant search result for your requirements. Always try to narrow down your search result by adding up the text content for your text search. And especially try to use operators and get the maximum benefit of them. Good. Now let's summarize what we have done today. We learned how to perform a simple text search, and also we looked at hidden Google features, the calculator, the Cartesian graph, the unit converter, and the dictionary. And then we learned how to use search operators, how to search exact phrases, and how to exclude irrelevant data. Good thing about Google search engine is when you search for entertainment and people related topics, it will display a nice looking layout in the right panel with the basic and most important information. And finally, we tried out to do a image search, video search, news search, and a book search. There we learned about the advanced search window and the search tools options. When it comes to the images, you can search images by color. When it comes to the videos, you can search by the duration. With Google search engine, you can obtain more benefits because they can integrate with their products, YouTube, Google Books, and Google Maps. Remember, the search result you obtain from the Google will not be the same result that you can get from other search engines such like Bing and Yahoo, because each organization uses different machine learning algorithms to search the web. So that's all what we have today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture for Internet Protocol Suite. It will be a technological session, so be prepared. This video brought to you by edupediaworld.com. Watch more from our website.